time I was here, you tried to impale me on a spike.
I did indeed.
Yeah, you didn't.
I'm not going to scare you as much as that this time.
Sure?
But I did bring a gift for you.
Oh, go on.
Okay, I want you to stay standing with me for a moment.
Okay.
Just examine my sleeves, make sure there's nothing up there.
Yeah.
Make sure you're happy.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your gift is a balloon, Paul.
Okay.
Simple little gift.
Oh, thanks for that. Yeah.
Stand a bit closer.
Yeah. Just going to pop it now. Please don't do it. I'm like a kid in McDonald's. No, don't.
Now, there's actually something inside the balloon. Can you see it?
No.
Okay, I do have a bottle opener here. Have you any idea what you get when you cross a bottle opener and a balloon, Paul? One bottle opener, one balloon, one bottle of champagne.
I cast you out! I cast you out! Where's the nundo? I cast you out! That's witchcraft! You saw that, Duffy, you saw that. How did you do that?
Very well, but thanks for asking.
That's brilliant! And it's the real, it's the proper McCoy.
It's the real stuff, yeah.
I don't believe it.
Here, I'll tell you what, I'm going to try something along the lines of pickpocketing right now with you, okay?
Okay.
Pickpocketing is all about psychology and misdirection.
Yeah.
I'm going to pickpocket you in a moment, okay?
Right.
We'll use a deck of cards for this. I'll make it real easy for you, all right? You can see all the cards genuinely are different. Okay, have a look at them yourself.
Yeah.
Happy? Yeah. Okay, just take out any one you want, but one which has plenty of writing space on it, because you're going to write on it in just a second. It doesn't matter if I see it. It's not that type of thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's have a look. 4 diamonds. Okay, we'll take this marker. I want you to just write your name all the way across the 4 diamonds. Go ahead and write your name on it. Perfect. So there's only one like it in the world with your name all the way across it. Let's show to the people at home. There it is right there. Now here's the idea. I am going to pickpocket you, okay?
Right.
I've got my wallet here. Okay, we're going to place the card inside the wallet in just a second. And just put out your hand like this for me. Okay, there's the wallet. Okay, you can see there's a nice photo of me inside the wallet. It's an old photo. Okay, but here's the idea.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to take your card, 4 diamonds. We'll make sure that's nice and dry. We'll put it face down inside the wallet like so, okay?
Yeah.
Close up the wallet and put it into your back pocket for me. Now I'm going to pickpocket you. It's your job to not allow me to pickpocket you. Keep your hand on the wallet, okay?
Okay.
And if you wouldn't mind just standing here
I'm
for
trying
me.
to get it in my pocket, then, Mum.
I can put it down your belt loop if you like.
No,
Keep
go
your
on,
hand
go
on
on.
it. Have you got
Right.
your hand on it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I am going to pickpocket you, okay? Close your eyes, okay? And don't allow me to get at that wallet, whatever you do. I'm going to touch you. I'm going to do all sorts of things to you.
Okay.
Try and get inside your back pocket. Hold on to the deck for me with your left hand. There it is there. Okay, just tell me something completely random that you did as a child. Tell me something completely random as a child.
What did I do as a child? I used to deliver papers in St. Catherine's Hospital.
Good. Keep your eyes closed.
And I used to...
Don't let me get inside your pocket, so you won't?
Okay, I won't. I used to be on a milk round
Okay,
as
good.
well.
And can you feel the wallet right now inside
Yes,
your back
I can,
pocket?
yeah.
Genuinely, you can
Yeah,
feel that,
yeah,
right?
I can feel it,
And
yeah,
tell me something
yeah.
else completely random.
What else did I used to do? I was scared of bonfire night because I didn't like fireworks.
Okay, good. Open your eyes. Now, did you feel me take the wallet out of your back pocket?
No.
Take the card out and put it
No.
back in?
No.
You would swear that your hand
No,
was
you
there all
haven't
the
been
time.
near the Wallace.
You think?
See, yeah, you haven't.
Well, they just saw
Yeah.
me take the wallet out and take the card out.
You couldn't have.
Well, check. Have a look. You see, open up the wallet. See, the wallet is now empty, Paul. And if I did what I said I just did, check it out. Look, your signature is right there.